How are you all doing? Just down Hythe in Kent doing a bit of fishing, but I thought I'd show you these. These are from a company. Oh, what else do I get on it? There got a few bits. These are from a company called Nitetide. As you see, they're wicked bits of kits. These are designed for your seat box, which I'll show you in a minute. You've got these little rig hangers that can go on your tripod or on your shelter. I've got mine set up there so I can hang my rigs up when I'm baiting. But yeah, it's all 3D printed stuff, but I mean it's solid. It's not flimsy or anything like that. This is like a little tray that goes inside of the seat box. And this is a cup holder, which I'm quite glad they make them. Oh, and obviously I've got bright green, but look, I'll show you how you use it. Literally, it sits on this bit here. There you go, look. That one's on there. If we take that one off, same with this one. It's got two little hinges on the back. Straight on, push it down. There you go. I mean, it's solid. Great bits of kit for your rigs. You can take these out, put whatever you want in them. But yeah, they're them bits. And I've got this bit up here. I'll show you as well. But these, I'll quickly show you. You literally, sorry about the wind. Just you can put them on your shelter like that. There you go. Put them wherever you want, how high you want. Or you can go on your tripod legs. But this is my favourite thing. I'll show you. Rig hanger that sits on top of your head bar. Obviously, it's not most of the goal to have a rig hanger here. But I like this one because it sits up higher and it can sit just right down the middle. But yeah, they're wicked bits of kit. And they're not expensive at all. I mean, they're cheap as chips. I think, do you know what? I don't even know the prices. I can't tell you because I can't remember. But I bought them all off his website. This isn't like paid promotional bullshit like that. I bought all these. I buy all my own stuff. But yeah, they're wicked bits of kit. I love seeing people come up with good ideas and like small brands doing well. But yeah, it's the Nitetide. I'll leave a link in their description. Have a look on their website. They do loads of different colours. They've got quite a few new products out. I think they can do tripod torch kits. They've just brought out a new vest that goes onto your side of your tripod, which I'm going to order soon. Yeah, just thought I'd share them with you. Something I enjoy using and like them. Have a look.